BlueScope Steel is an Australian-based steel manufacturer with a significant presence in the global steel market. The company produces a range of steel products for various industries, including construction, automotive, and manufacturing. BlueScope core business include steel manufacturing, value-added products, and global operations. BlueScope Steel plays a vital role in the construction industry, providing essential materials for buildings, homes, and infrastructure. The company's focus on innovation and sustainability positions it well for future growth. BlueScope strengths includes industry expertise, as strong expertise in steel manufacturing and a broad range of high-quality products. Global presence, as operations in multiple countries provide access to diverse markets and reduce dependency on any single region. Operational efficiency, as advanced manufacturing technologies and efficient operations enhance productivity and cost management. Strong brand, as well-recognized brand with a reputation for quality and reliability in the steel industry. BlueScope weaknesses include commodity dependence, as reliance on the steel market makes BlueScope vulnerable to fluctuations in steel prices and demand. Environmental impact, as steel production faces scrutiny over environmental impact and sustainability practices. High capital expenditure, as significant investment required for production facilities and technological advancements. BlueScope opportunities include infrastructure development, by growing demand for steel and infrastructure projects, presents opportunities for increased sales. Sustainability initiatives, by investing in sustainable practices and technologies, can improve environmental performance and market position. Emerging markets, as expansion into emerging markets with growing industrial and construction sectors. BlueScope threats include commodity price volatility, as fluctuations in steel prices can impact profitability and financial performance. Regulatory challenges, as increasing environmental regulations and compliance requirements can raise operational costs. Global economic conditions, as economic downturns and trade policies affecting the global steel market. In conclusion, BlueScope Steel's expertise and global presence position it strongly in the steel industry. To sustain its competitive advantage, the company should focus on addressing environmental concerns, capitalizing on infrastructure development opportunities, and managing the risks associated with commodity price volatility.